It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your camera on your laptop. So if it's not working or not turning on, the first thing you want to do is turn on the camera on the keyboard. So a lot of these laptops, you'll have to press the FN key down, and then you'll see on mine it's the F6. There's a little camera option on this keyboard. So you have to press this down, FN, and then it might be F6 for you. There should be a visual graphic on your screen for your keyboard specifically. If I zoom in right there, you can kind of see it on the F6 key right here. There's a picture of a camera. So you tap FN, F6, and then you should be able to toggle that on or off. Now there could be something on your actual laptop preventing you from turning this on just through the security options in here. So what we want to do is just go to Start right here. So let's go to Start. So however I can get down there. Wow, this is fast. So let's go to let's go to Start, go to Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says App Permissions, go to Camera. So let's get rid of this Add. And then just under Camera Access, make sure you have your camera turned on for each one of these things, like Xbox. And if you turn it on, you should be able to enable it now. Then we go down to Search and type in Camera. And then here's the camera app. So let's open this up. And our camera should be turned on. So if it's not, we got to turn it on. So let's go to FN, F6. Camera should be on. And then we have the option to change camera right here. And then we should be showing myself on the screen. So there's me. Hello. So that's how you can turn on the camera real easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.